So good morning everyone. So in last class we have started our exercise 2. In that second bit we were doing. So in that we will continue that is sixth problem. So here we are doing the sixth one. So what is the sixth question? 5 into x plus 4 is equals to 3x, 35. Okay, so we have to find the x value. So this 5 you have to multiply with each and every term here. So given 5 into x plus 4 is equals to 35. 5 into x is how much? 5x plus 5 4s is 20 equals to 35. Transpose is 20 to other side. Plus 20 if you transpose, that will be converted to minus 20. So 5x is equals to 35 minus 20. So 5x is equals to 35 minus 20 will be 15. So transpose is 5 to other side, that will be converted to division because it is in the form of multiplication. So x is equals to 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5 3s are. So what is the x value here? X value is 3. Now we have to check our answer. So verification. So what is that? 5 into x plus 4 is equals to 35. So in place of x we have to substitute 3 here. So 5 into 3 plus 4 is equals to 35. 5 into 3 plus 4 is 7 is equals to 35. 7 5 is 35. So 35 is equals to 35. So you got the LHS value is equals to RHS. So this is our sixth solution. Next is seventh one. What is that? Minus 3x is equals to 15. So direct we have to do. Given minus 3x is equals to 15. So if you transpose this minus 3 to other side, that will be converted to division because the relation of minus 3 and x is multiplication here. So it will be x is equals to 15 by minus 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So x value is how much here? Minus 5. So now we have to do the verification. So verification, that is minus 3x is equals to 15. Minus 3 into x value is how much? Minus 5. So minus 5 is equals to 15. Minus into minus will be plus. 3 5s is 15. That will be equals to 15. So LHS part is equals to RHS part. So what we did, that is a correct answer. So this is our seventh solution. So next is eighth one. So what is eighth here? 5x minus 3 is equals to 3x minus 5. So from this, in this, we have to bring all the variables to one side and all the constant values to other side. So given 5x minus 3 is equals to 3x minus 5. So in this case I am bringing this 3x to this side and sending this minus 3 to other side. So that plus 3x will become minus 3x and minus 3 will become plus 3 there. So 5x minus 3x is equals to minus 5 plus 3. Okay. So 5x minus 3x is how much? 2x. So 2x is equals to minus 5 plus 3 will be equals to minus 2. Okay. Transpose this 2 to other side, that will be converted to division. So x is equals to minus 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So x value we got it as minus 1. Now we have to check the verification. So what is that? 5x minus 3 is equals to 3x minus 5. So in place of x we have to substitute minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus 3 is equals to 3 into minus 1 minus 5. So in place of x I have substituted minus 1. Now we can solve. 5 into minus 1 will be minus 5 minus 3. 3 into minus 5 will be minus 3 minus 5. So minus 5 minus 3 will be equals to minus 8. Here also minus 3 minus 5 will be equals to minus 8. So we got the LHS value is equals to RHS value. So this is our 8th question. Next, 9th one. So what is 9th one? 3y plus 4 is equals to 5y minus 4. So in this case also I am bringing all the variables to one side and the constants I am taking to other side. So given 3y plus 4 is equals to 5y minus 4. So I am sending this to this side and plus 4 I am taking to other side, that will become minus 4, and this plus 5x if you take to this side, that will be converted to minus 5y. So 3y minus 5y is equals to minus 4 minus 4. Okay, 3y minus 5y is how much? From smaller number we are subtracting the bigger number, so that will be, the answer will be in the form of negative, that is minus 2y is equals to minus 4 will be minus 8. Okay, now here minus minus get cancels, send this 2 to other side, so y is equals to 8 by 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So y value is how much here? Y value is 4. Now we have to do the verification part. So what is verification here? 3y plus 4 is equals to 5y minus 4. So in place of y we have to substitute 4 now. So 3 into 4 plus 4 is equals to 5 into 4 minus 4. So 3 fours are is 12. 12 plus 4 is equals to 5 fours are is 20 minus 4. So 12 plus 4 is how much? 16. 20 minus 4 is also 16. So we got the LHS part is equals to RHS part. So this is our 9th solution. Okay. So this is how we will transpose the terms when they have given both LHS part and RHS part. Okay. Next is last question, 10th one in this exercise. Tenth one, 3 into x minus 3 is equals to 5 into 2x plus 1. Okay, so we have to solve this. So first we have to multiply the terms. So given 3 into x minus 3 is equals to 5 into 2x plus 1. So first we have to multiply, then only we have to take the variable terms and constants terms. We have to separate the variable and constants. So 3 into x will be 3x minus 3 into 3 will be 9 equals to 5 2s is 10, that is 10x plus 5 1s is 5. Now this expression, this equation has been converted into this form. Okay, now we can bring all the variables and constants to separate sides. So I am taking this plus 10 to other side, that will become minus 10. I am taking this minus 9 to other side, that will become plus 9. So here 3x minus 10x is equals to 5 plus 9. 3 minus 10, from smaller number you are subtracting the bigger number. So the result will be in the form of negative, that is minus 7x is equals to 9 plus 5 will be equals to 14. So send this minus 7 to other side, that will be converted to division, because the relation between minus 7 and x is multiplication here. So x value is 14 by minus 7, 7 1s are 7 2s are. So x value is how much here? minus 2. You got the x value as minus 2. Now we have to do the verification part. So doing this, it is 3 into x minus 3 is equals to 5 into 2x plus 1. So in place of x we have to substitute minus 2. So 3 into minus 2 minus 3 is equals to 5 into 2 into minus 2 plus 1. So in place of x I have substituted minus 2. Okay. So 3 into minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 5 equals to 5 into 2 2s are 4. That is a minus 4 plus 1. 3 5s is 15. So minus 15 is equals to 5 into minus 4 plus 1 will be minus 3. So you will get here, you got it as minus 15 is equals to 5 3s is 15, minus is there, so minus 15. So we got the LHS part is equals to RHS part. So this is our exercise 2 second bit. So with this our exercise 2 is completed. Next exercise we have to start now. So next exercise is exercise 3. So now we are starting our word problems. Okay, so exercise 3. So in that first one, write the information given in the picture in the form of equation. So they have given some information in the picture. So we have to write in the form of equation. So also find the x in the following figure. So also we have to find the x figure. So if you take the picture, if you see the picture here, they have given one spoon, teaspoon. So in this, the full length of a teaspoon is 15 centimeters and the half the value from here to here is x centimeters. From here to here it is 11 centimeters. So if you add these two, then only it will be equals to 15 centimeters. So what we have to write here, from the figure we can write x plus 11 meters is equals to 15 meters. Okay, so that spoon has been divided into two parts. One part is x meters and the second part is 11 meters. The total length is how much? 15 centimeters. Okay, now we have to find the x value. So how to find the x value? Take that plus 11 to other side, that will be converted to minus. So x is equals to 15 centimeters minus 11 centimeters. So x will be how much here? 15 minus 11 will be equals to 4 centimeters. The length of a spoon is, the x value we got as 4 centimeters. So second one is also in the same way. So they have given one pen. We have to write the given information in the form of equation. So if you take this pen, the total length of the pen is 13 centimeters. From here to here it is y centimeters and from here to here it is 8 centimeters. So if you add these two parts, then only you will get the 13 centimeters. So by figure, what you will write? From figure you can write y centimeters plus 8 centimeters is equals to how many? That is full length is 13 centimeters. Now transpose is plus 8 to other side, that will be converted to minus. So y is equals to 13 minus 8. So y will be equals to 5 centimeters. So the length of the y is 5 centimeters. Now next one. Third solution. So what is third one? If we add 7 to twice of a number, if we are adding 7 to a twice of a number, we get 49. So the result will be 49. So what is the number we have to find? So twice of a number means what? Twice of a number is nothing but 2 times of a number. So we don't know what is that number, so we are taking in the form of x. So let the number be x. So let the number be x. So now what we have to find? We have to find what is that number we have to find. So what they told, if we add 7 to twice of a number, if you add 7 to twice of a number, the result will be 49. So if we can write it as twice of a number is nothing but is equals to 2x. So by problem you can write it as, that is 2x plus 7 will be equals to 49. Transpose is 7 to other side, so x will be equals to 49 minus 7. So 2x is equals to how much? 42. So transpose is 2 to other side, 2 is in the form of multiplication. So if you transpose that will be converted to division. So x is equals to 42 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 20 ones are. So what is the x value here? 21. Okay, so this is our third solution. Next, fourth one. So what is fourth one? If we subtract, now we are subtracting. If we subtract 22 from 3 times of a number, 3 times of a number is 3 into the number. Okay, so what is that number? We don't know, so we will take in the form of x. So if we subtract 22 from 3 times of a number, we get 68. So the result will be 68. So what is that number we have to find? So let the number be x. So 3 times of a number. So what do you mean by 3 times of a number? That will be equals to 3x. So by problem we can write (3x minus), they are telling to subtract, so 3x minus 22 will be equals to, what is the result? The result is 68. So it transposes plus 20 minus 22 to other side, that will become plus. So 3x is equals to 68 plus 22. So 3x is equals to 8 plus 2 is 10, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 will be 9, so it will be 90. So x is equals to 90 by 3, 3 ones are 3 30s are. So what is the number here? Therefore the number is 30. So this is our fourth solution. Next is fifth question. So fifth question. So what is that? Find a number which when multiplied by 7. So if you are multiplying any number to 7 and reduced by 3 and you are reducing that with 3. So what is the number? The result will be equals to 53 it seems. So here let the number be, what we have to take? Let the number be x again. So you can take any other alphabet also. So let number be x. Okay, so now what we have to find? We have to find a number. So what they told, multiplied by 7. Multiply, number is multiplied by 7 means that will be equals to 7x, and reduced by 3. From that 7x we have to subtract 3, that is 7x minus 3. If you what you will do, after doing that, the result will be in the form of 53 it seems. So by problem we can write 7x minus 3 is equals to 53. transpose is plus minus 3 to other side, so 7x will be equals to 53 plus 3. So 7x is equals to 56. Now what is the answer we have to find? So that will be transpose is 7 to other side, so x will be equals to 56 by 7. 7 ones are 7 eights are. So x value is how much here? 8. So like what is the number? Therefore the number is 8. So this is our fifth solution. Next, sixth one. Next, seventh one. So what is the seventh question? Sum of three consecutive integers is 24. Find the integers. So what do you mean by consecutive integers? Side by side numbers, you will call it as consecutive numbers. That is 1, 2, 3 is a consecutive number. 3, 4, 5 is a consecutive number. 5, 6, 7 is also a consecutive number. So the numbers which are lying side by side, we will call it as consecutive numbers. So what are the three numbers? If you add, the result should be 24. So which three numbers you will add to get the result as 24, we have to find. So in this, let the three consecutive numbers, I am taking it as x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay. So let the three consecutive numbers are x comma x plus 1, x plus 2. So these are the three consecutive numbers. So if you add these three consecutive numbers, the result will be how much? The result will be 24, it seems. So by problem, you can take x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equals to how much? 24. So the sum of three consecutive numbers is 24. Sum is nothing but the addition. That's why I am adding all the three consecutive numbers. So x plus x is 2x. 2x plus x is 3x. Plus 1 plus 2 will be 3 is equals to 24. So if you transpose this plus 3 to other side, it will become minus. So 3x is equals to 24 minus 3. So 3x will be equals to 21. So now transpose is 3 to other side, that will become division. So x is equals to 21 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 sevens are. So x value is how much now? 7. So only the first consecutive number you got as 7. So next two numbers also we have to find. So first number is x, that will be equals to 7. Second number is what here? X plus 1. So x plus 1, that will be equals to 7 plus 1, that will be equals to 8. So the second consecutive number is 8. Now we have to find the third number, that is x plus 2. So x value is nothing but 7 plus 2, that will be equals to 9. So what are the three consecutive numbers? 7, 8, 9. So if you add 7 plus 8 plus 9, that will be equals to 24. So therefore the three consecutive numbers are 7, 8 and 9. So these are the three consecutive numbers. So this is our seventh question. Next is eighth one. So next eighth. So what is eighth? Find the length and breadth of a rectangle given below if its perimeter is 72 meters. So we have to find the length value and breadth value. So in the figure they have given the length value as 5x plus 4 and the breadth value is x minus 4. Total perimeter, if you are adding all the sides, that will be equals to 72 meters. So here perimeter what they have given? Perimeter they have given as 72 meters. Length value they have given as 5x plus 4. Breadth value is x minus 4. So we have to find the length value and breadth value. For that we have to use a perimeter. So we know that the perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. So here P value already they have given as 72. So 72 meters is equals to 2 into the length value is 5x plus 4. So 5x plus 4 plus breadth value is x minus 4. So 72 is equals to 2 into 5x plus x is 6x plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. That will become 0. So 72 is equals to 6 2s is 12. So 12x. Now send this 12 to other side. That will become division. So so that will be x is equals to 72 by 12. 12 ones are 12 6 are. So x value is how much? 6 meters. So here we have to find the length and breadth value. So this x value you substitute in length and breadth. In these two cases we have to substitute. So length is equals to 5x plus 4. So 5 into what is x value? X value you got as 6. So 6 plus 4. 5 6 is 30 plus 4. That will be equals to 34 meters. The length value is 34. Now we have to find the breadth value. So breadth is how much? X minus 4. So x is nothing but we got as 6. So 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is how much? 2. So the breadth value you got as 2 meters. So therefore the length is equals to 34 meters. Breadth is equals to 2 meters. So this is our 8th solution. Okay. So remaining problems we will continue in next class. Thank you.